It's a good habit to get into. That way you're ensuring that you come to a full, complete stop. Because what you're doing, training for a road test, is you're doing textbook driving.
Yeah.
Rather than social driving, like driving like everybody else. We're going to stay to the right here. We're going to go straight.
Okay.
There's actually 2 lanes. The lines are washed out. There's a left turning lane.
I see.
Yeah.
Can't really see the other one. Is this good?
Yep, that's good. Light just turned yellow. Traffic slowing down. That guy's slowing down. Perfect. All right, so you passed my my braking exercise. Now we're going to do a steering exercise here on this next road. We'll turn left.
Right here?
Yeah.
So I start signaling now?
Yeah, then good to go. So your hand is at the 3 o'clock position. Drop your left hand in your lap and just use your right hand to steer around this corner. Just drop it right off. Yeah, looking where you want to go. This here gets you accustomed to how far you can go before you turn into a pretzel. Because when you get to this point here, that's when you grab at the top, using your left hand here and looking way around the corner, up and way down the road. Nice. Also gets you used to slowing down for the corners. Using your left hand here.
Got it.
Looking way around the corner, up and where you want to go. Because where you look is where you're going to end up steering towards. And then use your right hand, staying on your side of the road.
Got it.
There we go.
Go around this net.
Yep. And the pedestrian.
Slow.
So this is good.
My left?
Yeah, right.
Right, sorry.
Right hand. And then a little bit of gas to come out of the curve. Perfect. Left hand. So this is a good speed. You don't really need to brake all that much, when you're going this slow.
Yeah.
Yep, right on. A little bit sharper of a corner here, so you just kind of slow it down a little sooner.
Sure.
Looking across the grass, basically looking for any oncoming vehicles so you see them ahead of time.
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay, so that's the end of the steering exercise. Here at the intersection, we're going to keep going straight.
Sure.
And for the yield sign, they don't have any stop signs on either side.